Hey guys, it's been a minute since we've talked like this, but your girl is back home from a shift at work, and yeah, I just wanted to catch you guys up on some things. Very exciting. Wow, we're gonna have to delay this chat. My camera is dying. I'll be right back. We're going to the mall to go to Bath and Body Works, and then I want to get a pink drink from Starbucks because I never had a pink drink, so I'm gonna do that. And then we're gonna go to the LQ store because I have some of my gang geysers coming over for a chill wintry night.
Passenger seat belt.
For a chill wintry solstice. What is a solstice? Why do I know that? Is that something to do with like the sun and the stars and the moon? Solstice. That's just a random word that I know because of solstice. What is that? Why? I don't even know how I know that word. It's the time or date at which the sun reaches its maximum or minimum declination, marked by the longest and shortest days. So summer solstice is June 21st and winter solstice is December 22nd. Well, anyways, yeah, we're going to Starbucks. Let me put that order in now. See ya. Okay, girl, we are back. What time is it? We made it back home at 5:37. I told my friends to come around 8 o'clock ish, so we got some time to make sure that everything is good for them to come over. I did get some cut water. I got the mango margarita and strawberry margarita, and then I got this tequila, a bottle of tequila. I don't know what it's called. It's like Astro tequila. I don't know. All I know is that it's tequila. Okay. Yeah, so what ended up happening was we went to Bath and Body Works. Of course, that was the main goal of the outing. So we went to Bath and Body Works, and I got a couple of stuff because I had the $10 off coupon. And then I have a gift card to Bath and Body, but guess what? I forgot to take the gift card, so I paid when I had the gift card here at home. But it also means that I get to put in an order online and order something that way. And y'all, just look at my hair. I did 20 minutes under my heating, my little heater with the Sacred restorative mask. One of those. I did one of them. You're supposed to leave it on for 20 minutes, and then I sat under my heater, and then I rinsed it out, and I think my curls look super cute. But let's just get into what I got from Bath & Body Works, because I'm so hungry. And I got a sub from Jersey Mike's. I've been wanting a nasty Italian everything sub from Jersey Mike's, so hopefully they felt like working tonight and it tastes really good, because I've been wanting it so bad. But let's just get into what I got from this semi-annual. Okay, y'all, if you watch, I forget which video I mentioned where I got candles, and it was the strawberry pound cake candle. I didn't know why I was sleeping on that scent, but when these came out and I seen that they had these, the strawberry pound cake is back, and these were like $4. It smells so good. I don't know why I was sleeping on Miss Strawberry Pound Cake, but I am now awakened. This one is Costa Rica Pink Pineapple Sunrise, and this one is a body wash. I needed a fruitsy body wash, so this is the one I got. The notes in this one are sweet pink pineapple, palm sugar, sun-drenched nectar. And the notes for the strawberry pound cake are whipped cream, golden shortcake with fresh strawberries. So I got the hand lotion in that, and then I got the body cream in the strawberry pound cake as well. And right after I filmed this little part here, I'm going to use my gift card to get the spray, because they didn't have the spray in stores, which is like, ugh, you know. But it's okay, girl. I got a refill on my little hand-sanitizers. Most of the scents that I got were strawberry pound cake, okay? And then I got 2 of the Fiji white sands. If you know, you know. This smells good as well, so girl. And last but not least, I got 3 little bag charms, aka sanitizer holders. I'm so excited. This one is so cute. This one is a little bathtub with a little shower gel, bath gel, with a little loofah on there. There is a loofah on this. I don't know if you can see it well. Look at that. Look how cute that is. What? You thought I was gonna leave this in the store? No. The next one is a half-eaten chocolate bar, and the wrapper is pink. It's so cute. I think they're gearing up for Valentine's Day, and I'm ready. And then the last one is this one. It says I deserve chocolate, and look, it opens up and it's a box of chocolate. Tell me that that is not cute. You can't tell me that that's not cute. Like, yep. And that's all I got from Bath & Body. So now I'm about to place my order for the spray, because your girl forgot to pick up the spray. You know, it's okay. But about to place my order, about to eat, and then I'm about to watch the rest of Stranger Things, and then my friends should be over around that time. I think we're gonna do the imposter game, and then I have a card game that we're gonna do. So yeah. So guys, my friends came to see me. Oh, I could have, but it was back here, so I wasn't really paying attention for real. But you know, they came to see me. They call me grandmom now. It used to be auntie, but I guess they like just skipped over that. You know, I'm not gonna ask questions, but you know, they say my house is like grandma's house.
Grandma's house. Grandma's house.
Grandmother's house.
I don't know.
Grandmother Willow.
I just,
My mom Jade.
I'm just here.
My mom Jade.
Hey, come behind her as the two grandkids.
Hold on. The grandkids matched today. We matched. Hi.
No, my grandkids. You see it? Yeah.
It was fun at grandma's house.
It was fun.
It was. She didn't cook for us though.
My grandkids had a good time. They
She didn't
had.
cook for us.
Oh,
And then there's always that one grandkid that didn't come on theme.
the bad grandkid.
It's all right.
There's always
There's
one.
always that one grandkid that's always in somebody else's business.
And there's always one that's not on the same business as everybody else. Yeah.
And then there's always the good one.
That's me.
Oh.
Yeah. Is it you?
Oh.
I can't see.
Bend over, bend over, bend over. Bend over, bend over, bend over.
Oh my goodness.
Timothy, are we actually going to
I was
get...
to say, so are we meeting up tomorrow for breakfast or
Wait, what
we
time
gonna
does
save
this
that?
place open?
Yeah, what time does it open?
We gonna do it or we gonna save it for another time?
No, if
I don't
it's
know
like
what time I'm waking up, guys. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all.
Okay. Oh, he's
I
on the count.
came from work. To
We're not gonna count Mandela because he's not gonna wake up.
It's all right. Hard-working man. We love that in 2025.
You know, he could set an alarm, but he's not gonna do that.
so we'd be able to do the weekend of the 10th and 11th.
You got games on your phone? You got games on your phone? Is this working?
Mind you, didn't she tell us earlier that she's gonna have that Trace Lake juice for us today?
Wait.
Does it work?
Calm down. Calm down, everybody. Calm down. Once we made these plans, I said, you know what? Let me clean my room, and I'll come enjoy my time with my friends, and I'll just push it back to Sunday. That's what I said. I wasn't gonna rush leaving my house to come back into my house, make Trace Leches, to then rush to come back out again.
I understand.
Calm down. If we didn't make these plans, then yes, y'all would have gotten it today.
I'm just saying, that's what we was told.
Calm down.
I'm just saying. I appreciate the clarity though.
Because if it makes you feel any better, I am going to the grocery store tomorrow anyways.
Oh.
So it is a definite for tomorrow.
You said Trace Leches? What's that? What you made that one?
Coquito.
I'll be making that again.
Yes, coquito.
Do y'all want some?
Some coquito?
Coquito was so good.
So good.
Y'all can have some.
You have some?
Yeah.
Who
Wait.
made it?
Who made it?
Right.
One of my old time Puerto Rican clients. They give it to us every Christmas.
Puerto Rican.
From New York.
Yeah.
Look, y'all know y'all supposed to get one scoop of chicken.
It's gonna be heavy
That's
handed,
it.
you feel me?
Okay, guys. We're making green sauce. So I already put 2 tablespoons of jalapeno juice. And then I'm going to put some of the jalapenos in the bottom of here. I really like spicy stuff, so I'm just going to do 2 tablespoons of the jalapenos. And then now I got to go back to my phone to get the rest of the recipe. This smells so good. I love jalapeno. We're now supposed to get some cilantro. This is what I have a bunch of cilantro that I'm gonna put into the blender. I'm gonna chop off the stems. That smells good and fresh. We're gonna chop off the stem and then put the rest of the cilantro in the blender. I didn't realize how good cilantro smells. It smells great. Okay, I don't know if that was too much. It smells really good. I didn't know if that's too much, but that's what we're gonna go with. Okay, the recipe calls for either sour cream or plain Greek yogurt. So that's what we're gonna do. I don't have sour cream, but I have plain Greek yogurt, and that's what I'm gonna put in there. This is thick. Try and mix it up so it smells good. Yeah. I have a 32-ounce tub of Greek yogurt. I'm just gonna do half. Half of it in there. She says to do a whole packet of ranch seasoning, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay. Hoping that this tastes good. Maybe I should add a little bit more jalapeno juice. Add a little bit more jalapeno juice. Okay, that should be good. So, full 3 releasing. I don't know how to work this blender. They might have been onto something. They might have been onto something. This is tasty. This is what it looks like. It's good. I'm about to put this on my salad.